So this is the electronic configuration. We have two examples here to solve to understand this better with two examples. So examples are right here. Okay, the first question is find group and period of aluminum 13. So group and period. Okay, some questions they ask us to find group, some questions they ask us to find period. So you see, with the electronic configuration, it's very easy to find the electronic configuration, right? So here they are asking both group and period. So let's use electronic configuration. So aluminum 13, it has 13 protons. So that's very easy. So using our formula, we can find the electronic configuration. Okay, one, we know that one is 1s2, right? Second is 2s2, third is 2p6, and fourth is 3s2, right? So now there are how many electrons? There are 12 electrons. So one electron is remaining. So the third one will be 3p1. Okay, p normally carries 6 electrons, but we don't have 6 electrons now. We just have one remaining. So we're going to put this one right here. Okay, so now to find group, okay, to find group, we have to check this last shell, right? Last here is 3, right? It's third shell. So, and we have to sum up the powers of the last shell. We have 3 there 2 times. So now we add up 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So this number right here, it represents the group in which the element is situated. So 3 plus 1 is equal to 3 means third group. Okay, so this is a group, right? We sum the powers of the last shell, and then we show the group, right, in which the element is situated. So now let's prove using the periodic table. You see, this is the periodic table. So from here, this is first group, second, third. We know that it's here in this group, right? Let's write down, this is the first group, second group A, third group A, fourth group A, fifth group A, sixth group A, 7 group A, and 8 group A. Okay, so now we know that our element is in the third group, this group right here. So where exactly, because you know there are many elements here, where exactly? So it's in that group. Which period? Okay, so let's find out the period. How to find out the period? That was just group. The period, now we see this shell, the last shell is third shell. So that means this element is in the third period. Write it down here, third period. It's in the third period. Okay, now we will see the periodic table. We see in the periodic table. Okay, we know that 1, 2, 3, third group, right? Period. First, this is the first period here. This is the first, right? This is the first, second, third. So third period exactly here. Aluminum is right there. So this is how we find the group and period of any element, a given element. So we know that it's in the third group and third period. Now the second question is to find also the group and period of krypton. Okay, of krypton. Some examples they ask you to find group only, and other example they ask you to find period. But in this we are asking both, so that you know, right, whether they ask period or group, you will find it. This is very basic. This is very basic question. So let's work on it. Okay, let's work on it. We use the same procedure. We take out our electronic configuration table. You have to write it down on a piece of paper, right? You write the element and the number of protons right here, and also you write the electronic configuration. First is 1s2, second is 2s2, third is 2p6, okay? 2p6. Now we have 10 electrons. You have to count the total. So third is 3s2, the next is 3p6, next is 4s2. Remember that electronic configuration, you have to remember that. You can memorize it or you can write it on a piece of paper. That's not cheating, by the way. You know it. You are just following the rules, right? You're just following the sequence. Right now we have 36 electrons, total 36, which is the number of electrons of krypton, right? So now we are done. So how to locate the period and group? So now we know the last shell is 4 here, 4, right? So it means it's in the fourth period. In the periodic table, this element is in the third period. Okay, since there are 2 numbers here on the last shell, we have 4 here and we have another 4 right here. So we just add the powers, 2 plus 6. So 2 plus 6, that is equal to 8. This means this element is in the 8th group, right? This number, the power number, give us group. Remember that. And this give us period, the shell. So now let's see the periodic table. Is it true? Which element is there? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. 8th group. 8th group is this one. All these elements belong to the 8th group, right? So where exactly? Okay. Which period? 4th period. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Krypton is right there. You see, we located krypton. So this is very easy way to find electronic configuration of an element given the periodic table. By the way, you are not supposed to write the periodic table in the class, but you just solve the example. You will know it's right when you follow this electronic configuration here. This electronic configuration. This is very easy, right? The previous video I showed you how to write this in a nice way. All right. So you just write this electronic configuration and you will crack the exam. Okay, this is very easy to follow. You just have to follow this sequence here. It's very easy from here to here. It has to be something like a triangle. You see, we just need to work in a nice way. Okay, like this video and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos every week. Take care and stay safe.